Year 3. Today's lesson we're going to be looking at time. It's Thursday the 7th of January and I'm going to be recapping o'clock, half past, quarter past and quarter to. Okay, so we're looking at time and just the minute hand today. Okay. Yesterday I showed you how to draw an analog clock face, so you'll need something circular. I've got a cold cup of tea, so find something circular and draw your clock face. Okay, so if it's a circular clock face, we say it's an analog clock. Okay, put your belly button in the middle and then do your north, your east, your south and your west, and then you know that there are 2 intervals in there, and there are 2 intervals in there, there are 2 intervals in there, and then there are 2 intervals in there. Okay, so pause this video and go and draw an analog clock face, hopefully with those intervals. Okay. When you've got your analog clock face, I'd like you to remember that the 0 is the starting point. And yesterday we talked about a clock face being really essentially a timeline. And I said to you, well, if we placed a beaded necklace on it, if it would stay still, it's a bit heavy, you know. It's dragging it off. Da, 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 da. Will it stay on? If I said to you that was 0, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little minutes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little minutes, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 little minutes, essentially it's a curly timeline. When I put this straight, can you see it up there if I do that? If I put it straight, we said that was 0, didn't we? We said that was 5, we said that was 10, and that was 15. And you make a line underneath them, we've got a timeline or a number line that's going up in 5s. So this is just going up in 5s as well. It's just that it's curly. Okay, so it looks a bit strange, but really it's not that hard to understand. It's just curly. Okay, so our analog clock face we know is going up in intervals of 5 minutes. Okay, so when our clock face has a really long hand that reaches all the way to the minutes, it's known as the minute hand. And I'm just talking about the minute hand today. I'm not talking about any other hand. Okay? So when our minute hand, and I'm going to swap it for this handy bit of Lego, when the minute hand is pointing at 0, instead of saying it's 0 minutes past, we say it's o'clock. Okay, so it's a kind of a handy way of remembering that 0 is actually o'clock because it looks like it starts with an O. Okay, when the minute hand ticks, 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 ticks this way and points in that direction at 15, we say it's not just 15. It's not very focused, is it very well? Hang on, can I do that? We say it's either 15 minutes past or quarter past. Okay, just fix in your head that when it's pointing that way, it's quarter past. When our minute hand tick, tick, ticks some more, when it tick, 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 tick some more down there, and it points to the bottom, we say it's half past. Can you see that? Just about. Okay. And then finally, when it tick, 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 ticks that way and ends up pointing that way, we say it's quarter. We say it's quarter to. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick quiz, see if you can remember which is which. So have a quick look. O'clock is at the top, half past at the bottom, quarter to pointing, and quarter past pointing the other way. Right, here goes. See if you can shout out the right answers. So let's rub off half past. That was out of focus. And then we'll rub off those, and those, and those. Let's see if you can do it with just those. Right. When it's pointing to the top, what is it? Is it o'clock. I remember it's o'clock. When it's pointing to the bottom, it's pointing to the bottom. It's half past. Well done. What was it pointing at the top again? When it's pointing at the top, it's o'clock. Well done. If it's pointing this way, if the minute hand's pointing that way, we say it's quarter past. Well done. What was this one again? If it was pointing to the bottom, what was that one again? Well done, it's half past. What was that one again? When the minute hand's pointing to the top, what was that one again? Well done, that was o'clock. But what's this one? If it moves all the way around and the minute hand points to there, what do we call that position when it's pointing that way? Well done, it's 1:45. Okay, right, there's a worksheet on those positions. I just need you to learn them off by heart. I need you to learn that that is o'clock, that is quarter past, that position is half past, and that position is 1:45. Okay, just learn them off by heart. Thank you.